In predictive maintenance, every decision begins with a signal. Introducing Phantom Gen 4, featuring a new low-noise accelerometer that delivers a cleaner signal, clearer readings, and more reliable diagnostics. Phantom Gen 4 enables wireless monitoring for critical assets. Thanks to its unique capabilities, including broad compatibility with industrial protocols, simultaneous 3-axis data acquisition, customizable alarms, complete waveform and spectrum data, and selectable 6,400 and 12,800 lines of resolution designed to perform in virtually any environment, including hazardous and explosive areas, for continuous monitoring of industrial machinery such as electric motors, pumps, fans, compressors, gearboxes, conveyor systems, and other critical production equipment. IECX and ATEX certified, with a replaceable battery, now in a single sensor. Phantom Gen 4, transforming monitoring into analysis.